What up, my natties? How y'all doing today? Thank y'all for watching my channel. For all my returning subscribers and my new ones, hey y'all, hey, thank you. It is your girl Jasmine, aka Jazzy J. Y'all, I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. After I finished my little curl color series, it was time for me to take a vacation to visit my family. My brother's birthday was that next Monday, and I just took the opportunity to go and visit my brother on Easter weekend. So that's why y'all ain't seen me, because when you take a vacation and then you come back and you try to get back into the groove of things, it don't really run as smoothly as you would hope it would. So between me running a business, working, and trying to record videos, one had to go to the back burner, and I'm sorry that it was y'all. Please forgive me. So I decided that I wanted to do a perm rod set. I have been hearing a lot about this mousse right here, the Doux Mousse Def, and this is what I am going to be using for my perm rod set. I actually used to do perm rod sets a whole lot when I was in college. I wanted to do an orange, right? Like an orange, not a copper. And I bought the temporary hair color, and y'all, I can't find it. Oh my gosh, I don't know what I did with it. I am so mad at myself. So because I did not want this blow dried hair, this stretched hair, to go to waste, because I've been wearing it in an afro and afro puff and all of that, I decided that I was just going to do this Curlsmith. I don't know if you can see it. Yes, the Curlsmith hair makeup in the color copper. I did this on a wash and go before, but I have a strong feeling that it's going to look a whole lot better on this perm rod set I'm about to do. Let's get started. I forgot to tell y'all what color perm rods I'm using too. I am using the orange perm rods. I already had some, but I went and bought some more just in case, because I've never done a whole head full of orange. So just in case, excuse me, I needed some more, I went and bought some more. I'm gonna be ready, okay? Because ain't nothing gonna stop this perm rod set. 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 Hey. Even when we not finding that orange I wanted to put in my hair. So I got my ends clipped, and it had been 3 years since I had my ends clipped, right? And I almost cried, y'all. I almost cried because I felt like she cut all my hair off, y'all. She cut all my hair off. I went around for about a week saying she cut all my hair off. I couldn't even put my hair in a ponytail. Y'all know this me. And this is my first time actually doing a perm rod set with this temporary hair colors, and I don't really know how it's gonna go, but we gonna see. Okay, I've been ranting. Can y'all tell I missed y'all? Can you tell that I missed y'all? Okay, I'm glad somebody cared. Anywho, so this is the section I'm about to start off on, right? So as I was saying, this is the first time, as I was saying, this is the first time I would actually be applying this curl color on, I would say, even dry hair, because every time I've applied any type of temporary color, it's been on wet hair. wet damn hair, something like that. Ain't never dry. I'm just gonna do one on the bottom. I'm trying to make it. And then each section that okay, so this is really good. And then each section that I part going upward, I'm going to split it in two. Okay. So I don't know how this is gonna work, y'all. Oh, and if you watch my blue hair video, this one says, Curlsmith says I do not need to use any gloves. So I'm not using gloves. But this says I can also put it on after. Okay. I like this now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to go in with the Mousse Def. I'm just gonna do, let's say, for this small section, I'm just gonna do 2 pumps, okay? 2 pumps. And then I'm going to apply it to my hair. Look at it, already. And then I am going to take some of this curl color. I can't even call it curl color. It's makeup, this hair makeup. Oh Lord. I'm gonna take some of this hair makeup and apply it to the ends because that's where I really want it. We're gonna take this part, make sure it's smoothed out. We're gonna take this part and go to the end where it'll be closest to the rubber band part, and you're gonna roll it, make sure your hair is smoothed around, and then you can do, they call it a corkscrew turn. And so I do that until I can't do it no more. And then I'm going to take this, feel kind of tacked. And secure it. I got some of my little hair in there. Sorry. I'm going to continue the same process throughout my whole head, but I'm going to speed it up so you don't have to wait too long. I am finally finished putting these perm rods in my hair. That took me 2 hours, guys. Maybe not quite 2 hours. But anywho, now it's time to go and sit under the dryer. What up, my natties? I'm back. Okay, I'm back. Yeah. So I was planning on, you know, taking all this down last night, but honey, let me tell you, I was tired. That's just it. I was tired. I decided to actually take these out on camera. I have my As I Am Long and Luxe Pomegranate and Passion Fruit Grow Hair Oil. I'm just going to put some on my hand just so when I'm taking my perm rods down and I'm touching my hair, it's not, you know, it won't give me any frizz. Just want to make sure my hands got a little bit of oil on them. This might be a little too much. But it's oily. So, we're going to see, y'all. It's been years since I've done this, so not quite sure how it's going to turn out. Y'all, I'm not quite sure. Not quite sure. But we gonna see. Here is what we have. What is that? Oh. Oh, it's just the shine from the color. So this is what we have, guys. This is what I have. These curls are so stinking pretty. I think they're so cute. Now it's time to separate, which is the oil on the hand, which is really what you need the oil on the hand for, so that whenever you're separating, you don't have no frizz. So you just take your time, and you're gonna see where the curl naturally separates, and you just pull it apart like such. You just gotta feel where it naturally separates. I probably just don't leave that one like that. But yeah, that's what you do. You just go through and feel where it naturally separates and separate it. I will say that the Doux Mousse Def, I like it. The hold is phenomenal. It's really nice. Ooh. I feel like I need to separate it just a little bit. This is going to be pretty. Oh my goodness. I'm ready. I'm ready. to do is I'm going to go and finish separating my hair, and I'm going to pick it out, style it, and I will be back. Y'all, look at this perm rod set. Like, y'all, this perm rod set, look at this. And this color, look. Y'all, look at that. Look at that. It is so stinking cute. Okay then, if it didn't take so long, I would be doing perm rod sets like there's no tomorrow. But I am loving this. What y'all think? How you like the perm rod set? This Mousse Def is the truth. Like, my hair has a nice hold to it, and I feel like it's actually gonna last a good bit. Like, I'm actually surprised. So you know what time it is. It's encouragement time. Encouragement time. Hey, I have missed doing these encouragement moments. Today, I want to talk about running your race to the end. To the end. You know, I had to add that up in there. To the end. God has given each and every one of us our own race. Okay? That we have to run. And He puts obstacles in our paths. Sometimes we take detours, but it's still our race. The race that you have been given, it's specifically and uniquely made for you. Run the race that God has given you. Don't compare yourself to people. Comparison, no, don't do it. Because it ain't going to do nothing but leave you uncontent and unhappy. Here's the thing about running your own race. When you running your own race and you focus on your race, your obstacles, what's going on in your life, you ain't got time to sit back to one, compare, and two, worry about nobody else's race, okay? We have to let go all of the weights and all of the sins, all of the people, all of the things that are holding us back from accomplishing what God set forth for us to accomplish. It's all for His glory, but we benefit from it too. I want to thank you all so much again for watching my YouTube channel. As always, you guys, I would love if you give me a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. And make sure you hit that bell to get a notification when I upload my new video. Okay, guys, thanks again so much. I hope you all have a great week, and I'll see you next time. Bye.